Alright, good morning folks. So yesterday, which was the 26th of July, we went fishing, and well, my battery on my phone died, and then my battery on my GoPro died. I didn't have my charger, so yeah, so we caught some nice fish. This was just some salmon that we caught. I sliced them, cleaned them on the boat, and I ziplocked them one time. Alright, so yeah, we caught a nice section of fish. We caught some nice salmon, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Sorry I didn't get much footage because of the whole situation. It was very last minute that I went fishing, so I didn't forgot to walk with my charger, so please forgive me for not getting the proper footage, but enjoy the little footage that I took or that I got from my colleagues who was on the boat. Alright, so guys, enjoy. Morning guys. Yes, excuse how I'm looking, I'm very tired. So my customers, they came out on the boat today, and it was a nice time. They had a lot of fun, and they had a nice bet. So the 7 of them went out, and everybody went out with 100 a man, and the person who caught the biggest fish out of that same group would have won $700. Alright, so it was nice. So I hope you enjoy the other part of the video as well. Good thing I was in the competition because I caught the biggest fish of the day, but that's alright. So yeah, I was just fortunate to catch the biggest fish, which was not a very big fish, but yeah, it was fun time. So yeah, I hope you enjoy this part of the video as well. So what's the plan now? Tell them what's the plan there?
We have a crew here this morning.
Right.
With this morning, 7 of us.
Right.
Who catch the biggest and the heaviest fish?
Right.
Win this morning. 6, one more. 7. One more.
7.
Bobby.
Yeah.
It's 7, Marie.
7, right, okay.
We're going out to have a good time. Everybody enjoy themselves.
Right. So I holding this and
You hold that.
we go
You the judge.
Captain, yeah.
Look, next one,
Scale, eh?
Yeah.
Captain, I scale, 700.
Nice.
Right, so that's the plan, eh?
Yeah.
What was that again for?
Your money.
What's that for now?
Your business.
Oh, my! Oh, God! Oh, God, let me put that inside there. Pull that there for me. I get confused there. Alright, cool. What are the plan? We're heading out this morning. We're heading out this morning with the crew there. The crew. So, let's see if we catch something. Other line set out. Water looking good. Let's see if we catch anything this morning. Small tukas.
Nice time, man. That's a punishment, Kelly.
Yeah, man. Checking out. They're growing. Yeah.
What? Make sure that road work for your money today.
So I catch $1,500 in fish, right? Bring him. Yeah, he ducking. He ducking. Bring the gaff. Call Coast Guard.
Small fish.
Small fish. Ducking, I find a struggle while I muscle it pumping. The man vein and thing on the pop out the chest, all kind of thing. Yeah. The man ball is a small fish, yes?
But then you pull out there, take 2 or 3
Yeah, no problem, yeah. Come now, man.
You feel it diving here or what?
Bring thing now, man. Bring thing. Oh shit! Something bite him, boy. Die what happened there, boy? Watch. Die why your rod was ducking so.
He had the bar put on the line.
They're going a little bit, man.
Yeah.
Huh?
You see when the man said that the first one 22,000, the second one 18,000, he said higher. He said come higher there one time. 10,000 again.
No.
Hey, look, the jacuzzi, boy. The jacuzzi. The jacuzzi, the boat, boy. Oh, yes.
Bobby, go in there. Bobby.
I'm not going, boy. I'm not going to work.
You mustn't lie, boy.
Salmon, man. Salmon.
You know that boy from Felicity?
Who's that?
The barber shop.
Hey, boy, hey. We come for this on a sport.
Yeah.
Yes, we learn it.
True, true.
We think, if you tell me about that man, then we happy, you know.
Yeah.
You see that the
All
difference
you
with
can
me.
deal with that.
And you.
Home, man.
You want to hold 3 cooler fish. We know what 3 boat load are there, people. Say tomorrow morning when we reach how much there, we smiling. Guy, we walk, Captain, we walk with undertakers now.
Them is undertakers. All them is undertakers.
Guy,
No?
we are
What the man say?
Yeah.
No, we
Yeah,
is
that they were.
undertakers. All of us undertakers. But different from our man here.
Competition. There's my boy Rocky here out of the 7 people in the group. I can say congratulations.
It was nice.
Well done, you won $700.
Check it out, check it out, check it out. Check it one by one.
Make sure.
One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Well done, brother.
Everything was safe. We go on safe and we come back safe. That was the most important thing.
John,
Pick up our partner.
I should tell you that. They're going to tell you. I thought I was open by $15.
Try well, lad.
I'm going to put on my back now. What's it? Yeah, my shop with someone.
Well, Bobby. Daddy Bossy. Salman Khan. Love in the house.
Same money and
Love in the house. We're going down. Don't forget the nice young lady. Family thanks. It was nice.